Tiani Vikemania Punja.
Ibraka, saying good morning, Arabinaka, Mulubinaka, to all the listeners, to all our friends who are tuning in this morning. We say Arabinaka to you all. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. And to all the mornings that we have passed throughout the years. And can my Bagadango na program Borutaki, Arabuni Aus Palangisho. We say good morning to Baby Mama.
Baby Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, Baby Mama, good morning. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yeah, this morning.
Snake, kakino snake. Baby girl motokana. Rere barong sa Sumay Amerika yan na matali ko. Maram tabu eh.
Ndoro binakserang maram tabu from Tabiuni. Yo tabu, my kai.
Oh, yokai.
Yokai, my kai is your tabu.
Yokai is our baby mama.
Oh, different story, different story. Well, good morning to everyone who tuning in Facebook page for VTFM this morning. Likewise to everybody who tuning in from the YouTube channel. And likewise, good morning. And welcome to everyone listening from the live stream of VTFM in this wonderful morning. Emi Salava, Mbula Binaka, thank you very much for tuning in. Likewise to Bill Lysenia.
Scobra 84. And welcome to our Palangi show and to all the staff of Punjas and to all the staff, beautiful staff of Vinopatelu say Yanda Vinaka, Bula Vinaka, and Mataka Vinako. Jere Blake, Yanda Vinaka, sir.
Makalesi, good morning sa iya sa Kanambula.
Oh, Yanda Vinaka.
Thank you very much for tuning in. Likewise to all the KB construction workers. They tuning in inside the vehicle. They are going to Wainimboku, Chepeda. This fella here, Chepeda, he's from Mbua.
Okay.
From Mbua, Nawadha Mbua. If you see second to one guy from Mbua, and he told you, I'm from Mbua,
right?
You should tell him, why chui Nawadha Mbua?
That's what the China Railway Korobo, Nabenumini Snake and Matariko. Okay. Your friend is not, your Tabali is not with us this morning.
Hey.
We have been said this morning that he can't make it to work.
Different story.
Please explain to them, because the listeners are asking, where's the small fella?
The small fella last week.
Some will tell the truth.
This week, he's sick. Different kind of sickness. Likewise to the sickness he got last 2 weeks. Last week when he came to work, he told us, I spot one big lawless, big black thing on the face. And I told him, hey, you is Triabu did do something? And he said, no. And he was laughing. No. This is one they were drunk in my place. No. I look at the scratch on your neck. That scratch is told me that is the girl did that to you. First must be one girl. I saw one scratch.
Who scratched who?
Maybe Dems want to scratch her.
Okay.
And she scratched them.
Scratch back.
And she scratched her neck. Pull the neck scratch. When Dems go back. Same time one on the head.
Oh.
One big black thing here. Black eye.
Oh, I think they want to do the scratch and win thing.
Scratch and win thing, They want to scratch and win, No. I think you never saw that thing. It was on the neck. And when the button, his button of the set, on the top, he put it up. He put it up. So today, maybe of the weather and everything, that thing is start to eating slowly.
Okay, I tell you something. Last week, he said that his stomach is like one 4x4 going inside.
I tell him already. If you want to alive, if you want the sickness to go away, if you want that 4x2 to come outside, I told you. See, it's not even 1 month. It's not even 1 month when you joke about my medicine, my fusion medicine. Now you got the 4x2 inside. And the 4x2 is not staying still. It's going around and around in his body.
Okay.
So I tell him, see, tomorrow you come, I'll give you the medicine. There.
Okay, see. But maybe the problem is the Bernadengano. What do you think?
I think to the Bernadengano, maybe it's something there. Kaya kami tumpula ko nakakana.
Right.
Ngedulaw ka na tomorrow.
Because see, I've been watching him for the last few days. Starting from last week. Baka na yung mama his face, his body texture is becoming dry like a desert now.
Oh, because of that bernadanga.
Oi.
Because he drinks every day. He drinks every day bernadanga. Now, the bernadanga is venga ikoya.
Oi.
Yes. Now everything is like coming out.
So there are two different stories this morning. One is the the Bernadanga thing, equation. The other one is the scratch and win thing.
The scratch and win thing.
Nadama, what's your message to him? Nadama message
Isa tabale. See, the first thing I have to tell you this morning. Don't be scared every time. Don't be scared.
What is he scared for? About?
Scared of the sea.
Okay.
Don't be scared of the sea.
Right.
If you want to come, come. Because that time I invited you to come, you said no.
Oi.
And when we were in Marikabaningi's house, that day, I know that this one is very scared. Because the message came.
Sandy, hey, I can't believe it. I can't believe what you're saying this morning, Sam.
Hey, did you hear the story? Oh, I heard the story, but now I'll open that story.
What happened that night?
So I pick him up in...
What happened in Vegas?
So I pick him up in Nolombu.
Right.
And I go direct to Marikabaningi's house.
Right.
And the two other boys, the brothers. And like we were drinking grog, and some of the little girls was there. Powdering. And same time.
Not the little girls, the young adults.
No, not little girls. The 18 above, the 20 above. And when we were drinking grog, same time the
MGM school Tuanga, Valentine.
The message came. The message came on my phone because he left his phone at home. The message came. Samu, is Demis there?
Oi!
And I take the phone and I show it to Demis. Tabale, look at this. And when he see it, and he told me, don't reply.
Where's the message phone?
The message phone, he left it at home.
Okay, right. Carry on.
He changed the password, and she unlocked the phone.
Okay.
Right. So I saw it to him. Wait, Tabale, look at this. And he said, at that time, he was talking, telling the story. This is... Karakiri. Everything is storing. Everything is anonymous. No give the gap to anyone to tell the story. Only him. And everybody was listening. And he was sitting on the top. He was sitting on the top. And everybody stand up and take the bill and give it to him. Oh, and same time I saw it to him. Tabale. Look at this.
Same time you keep quiet.
Same time he keep quiet. He told me. He don't want to speak louder. He tell me, oi, just don't reply. Off your phone. When I about to off my phone, same time another message came. Ding! I look at it. It says, Samu, tell Demis. 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock.
Oi!
Same time I said Demis.
Two city.
Me put it also. Tabale, look at this again. Tabale, look at this again. When he saw it, same time he never replied to me or anything. He saw the message. He Zambo. Nung ito yung turanga. Sa tao sa lako. Same time stand up. Go. And those people said, hey, wait. It's just 10 o'clock. No. Family's big thing for me. I have to go. And he left. But the other side of the story, he is good because the family first. Family first. But the main thing, too scared. Kaya
pala ko rarabagi ko tinga.
Rarabagi ako and rarabagi siya.
Oi!
I think those people from Kandabwe, maybe they did one big thing to him.
Karena ropa itu sama may okala di Malaysialanji. Na mataka binang niko. Okay. Pano mo message may uchi may no mutapale na mataka niko. No kan dure reba ka na mate.
Isa, my brother, Matamale, please don't you worry about the sickness. About the mate. See, you said you pray every day.
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
Yeah.
Because when it's come to you,
Yeah.
that 4x2
Yeah.
will come out.
Hey. Elizabeth, vamos andando baga. Rabolada motokana.
Yeah.
Hey, oh baby girl, man.
Hey, baby girl.
Have your
Hey.
baby girl?
Good morning.
Oh,
Good morning to Asinada Nangoroya.
ano ay gori? Of tangan na naman ni program magay on tangan naman. Gori, rachat.
The girl from
Of siguro naman ni makita ki.
Check. Sabos tunggu.
Okay.
Okay, set.
Ya benar boleh besar itu kan ni no use care about Tinay Navi.
Oh! Different story. This is the rose from Boturova.
Oi.
From Busratu.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, Baturaba is beside the sea or in the inside?
Yeah, some of the male
Village.
Baturova like in the sea.
Iyo.
Like they're from the Barabi.
Iyo.
And as people from the interior.
Oi.
Yeah, from the interior.
So it's near Baturaba is what? For your place? Is it near to Sabsabo or Lambas?
It's both.
Oi, Santa Sartunga.
Center.
Oh,
Ni to Lambasa, ni to Sabu.
Ano na? Ano yan benar na kada may ray. Baturaba ni borong suman mata di kuha. Ano say ni napakarok ano binaka? Ano binaka be merle kileo bunga.
Oh,
na
so-
bagiti di karua. Okay. Kino sa ko pitang ko magay kadibakin na magay kadibakin na sisu tungo se.
Dorbinaka.
Awa, agora.
Okay, Kapten Gomi. Sa si Faith.
Iyo.
At ko na mo Faith,
Iyo.
raba ka na mo kuy bali.
Isali. Yeah, kaliway 67 diwa. Ahora bitu diwa handa binaka ndakuwa barawa handa binaka Vils nimbulu binaka kibni. Na boleh besar bito kadi boleh nama tadi kuwa saku porowanga. Isa katiwati 67 diwa. Na boleh besar sama cuma nama taka ni kuwa. Hey, Reda. Ngalili ko motokana.
Who's that? Motokana?
Iyo, baby girl.
Motokana baby girl don't ngalili.
Yeah.
Because when you ngalili,
Okay, what's the usually what's the remedy for ngalili isamu?
drink a lot of water.
Rube 762 ni ano binaka na matadi kuha. Elizabeth ano binaka. Apaka kirbe Lucy itakini wana nabutura bito kani. Siya mo tsika na matadi kuha. Isa bikim nino kada sa palabsar nang unang gamay. So
Iyo binaka. Kaya sa ramay dapat talaga ike?
dono mo binaka. Era GT 544 Pipoli.
Pauline bulo
Binaka.
binaka.
Okay munraw.
Sale.
Cubao L Max. Binaka mo daw na mataka ni mataka ko kurmundo.